উদ্বেগজনকভাৱে বৃদ্ধি পাইছে কোভিড-19 আক্ৰান্ত।
বৃদ্ধি পাইছে কৰোনাত আক্ৰান্ত ৰোগীৰ সংখ্যা।
मामले हैं वो केवल 62 जिलों से आते हैं।
As the COVID-19 lockdown continues to cause concern and uncertainty around the world, one positive thing we could pull out of the tragedy was the awareness among people to stay fit and immune. And one of the many strategies in a COVID-affected world is cycling.
Cycling to it has become something like, Goribo Ekonai, first of all, lockdown. Second of all, health, immunity, whatever. So all these things, it's becoming like a brainwash, but in a positive way.
With people staying at home and the bulk of private and public transport staying grounded, clear skies and breathable air returned to many cities across the globe. And more than any other sport, cycle is the perfect vehicle for great stories under the carpet of fresh air.
Your life opens up. Cycling in those parts where you can cycle loi fly jot gari khon loi waterfalls sabo nara he cycle khon loi fly তুমি sabo para waterfalls
এটা বুম আহি গৈছে আৰু লগালগ মানে লকডাউন খোলাৰ পাছত যোনটো আগতে ইমান হেৰি নাছিলে বাট 2 to 300% আপ হৈ গৈছে মানে সাইকেল ডিমান্ডটো।
Right now the sales have increased like anything, but again the supply is very less because all over India the demand is too much. You can see the demand has increased more than in the websites and all, more than 3 times to 4 times, and the supply chain has like deteriorated a bit because of the lockdowns. The factories were not working and the imports were not there.
More cyclists are taking it to the streets. Has the corona crisis ushered in a new age of mobility? Cyclists now have some powerful supporters behind them. Arshal Akhtar, appointed as the bicycle mayor of Guwahati by BYCS, says that people have developed it into a regular habit to stay healthy.
So, this process to pandemic আৰম্ভ কৰিলে নিজৰ ক্লাববিলাকৰ মাজত নিজৰ নেইবাৰে সাইকেল চলাব দেখিলে মই এখন সাইকেল লওঁচোন। তো সেইটো এটা ট্ৰেন্ড মানে লাহে লাহে চলিব ধৰিলে। আৰম্ভ ফিটনেছৰ কাৰণে হৈছিলে, লাহে লাহে মানুহবিলাকে যিখিনি মানে ফিটনেছত আহিলে লাহে লাহে মানে এক্সপ্ল'ৰ কৰিব ধৰিছে।
World Health Organization released a guideline advocating cycling during the pandemic to limit overcrowded public transport.
তো World Health Organization কৈছিলে যে এইখিনি সময়ত সাইকেল চলালে ইমিউনিটি ডেভেলপ হয় আৰু ট্ৰেভেলিঙৰ সময়ত যে ট্ৰেভেল কৰোঁ আমি তেতিয়া আমাৰ ছ'চিয়েল ডিষ্টেঞ্চিং মেইনটেইন হয়। তো এইবিলাকো যিখিনি অভাৰঅল যিখিনি মেছেজিং আহিলে তাৰ বাবে মিডিয়াও বহুত হেল্প কৰিছে। এই একচুৱেলি প্ৰচেছটোত প্ৰথম ষ্টেপটো লৈছিলে চেণ্ট্ৰেল গভৰ্ণমেণ্টৰ ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট এটা আছে, মিনিষ্ট্ৰি অফ হাউচিং এণ্ড আৰ্বান এফেয়াৰ্ছ, মহুৱা বুলি কয়। এওঁলোকৰ আণ্ডাৰতে স্মাৰ্ট চিটি মিছনটো চলে। তাৰ মিনিষ্টাৰ অফ ষ্টেট হৰজিত সিং পুৰী তেখেতে 28 জুন মাহত এটা চেলেঞ্জ এটা আৰম্ভ কৰিব ক'লে। নামটো হ'ল ইণ্ডিয়া চাইকেলছ ফৰ চেঞ্জ চেলেঞ্জ। এই চেলেঞ্জত এতিয়া বৰ্তমান চলি আছে, কেইবাটাও ফেজ আছে। ফাৰ্ষ্ট ফেজটো চলি আছে। এই ফাৰ্ষ্ট ফেজত এতিয়া 95খন চিটি অল অভাৰ ইণ্ডিয়া এই কম্পিটিশ্যনত লাগিছে। এই কম্পিটিশ্যনত মানে সিহঁতে বুজি পাইছে যে চাইক্লিং ইজ দ্য ফিউচাৰ mode of transport.
And with the city now reopened, there are chances that it will retain benefits to an ambitious scheme to create city-wide cycling and walking spaces.
Basically, when we talk about cycling infrastructure বা ecosystem, আমি basically example দিওঁ কোপেনহেগেন বা এমষ্টাৰডাম, নেদাৰলেণ্ডছৰ কথা কওঁ। বাকী যিখিনি মানুহখিনি চাইকেল চলাই আছে চ' যদি একগোট হৈ আগবাঢ়ে, we can achieve that level of development in cycling infrastructure within the next 10 years.
Guwahati holds a number of cycling events. With off-roads and low-high terrains, Guwahati becomes a sought-after destination for adventure-loving cyclists.
We have 2-3 flagship races. One is the Assam Downhill, which is a gravity race. I mean, you have to ride down the hill, so it's a very intense race. I mean, you see a lot of crowd and people coming in from across India. So that we have it like every October-November period. So this year, if when government is allowed now, so let's see if the interstate travel and all, if it goes on, then we'll have it this year too. So this will be the 3rd edition. The organizers have been organizing a mountain biking. It's a XC cross-country race. I mean, it happens inside the Manas National Park in the Indo-Bhutan border. So we'll see a lot of MTB athletes from Bhutan, from across India coming down for that race. It's the prize money is very big. Assam Tourism supports, they support a lot for this event. And then we have another event which is which is small in scale, more focused on Northeast or local riders. The venue for this race is in Punjab, behind the Kolakshetra, behind the hills behind Kolakshetra. So that's again a very interesting race where it doesn't have a very huge prize money or something, and there's no entry fees and all. So it's like everyone can participate. It's a very fun race. So those are the three main races that we do. But we are associated with a lot of other races like the MTB Arunachal, MTB Tawang, like lots of other races where we offer technical assistance, or we conduct their trials. We take care of their race operations. So yeah, cycling till a few years back was mostly focused on road cycling. There's curved handlebars. So that was always there. MTB started picking up a few years, like 4-5 years, since 4-5 years. Then once we started events in Assam, because we are blessed with the kind of terrains that we have in Northeast, like if someone takes up MTB, like people say like Northeast, the players from Northeast are good in football. So likewise, players from Northeast can be good in MTB racing because they have the terrain.
The power of the pedal has been much understood in the lockdown phase, but whether cycling will continue to increase or lose again its new links is a question that still remains.
It's actually, I hope this continues because it's good for the environment, it's good for our city. I mean, just when the lockdown ended, you could see, like before pre-lockdown it was so peaceful. You could just, whenever, even within the partial lockdown also, I mean, you could, the empty streets, you could cycle at peace, parents going out with kids on bicycles. That's such a nice scene. I mean, that's how it should be. That mode of transportation has to change. I mean, you cannot be using car for a 5-kilometer distance. You cannot afford to do that. You will end up spending hours, you will end up spending lots on fuel, you will end up destroying the environment. So I hope this remains, and I also feel, like I said earlier, even if in terms of percentage, even if like 25-30% of the people who came in will continue cycling, even that's a very good addition, because this 25 people will be the people who have enjoyed cycling, and they will become ambassadors for cycling.